What if I told you that skipping college could be the best financial decision of your life? If I were 20 years old today, broke, and without a college degree, I wouldn't be stressed. I'd see it as an incredible opportunity. The world has changed. The traditional path of going to college, getting a degree, and landing a safe job is no longer the only way to build wealth. In fact, for many people, it's not even the best way. The truth is, you don't need a degree to get rich. You need clarity, the right skills, and a strategic plan to turn those skills into income. In this video, I'm going to break down exactly what I'd do if I were 20 years old today and wanted to build wealth from scratch. For decades, we've been sold the same dream. Go to college, get a degree, and you'll land a well-paying job. But let's be real, that dream is broken. College tuition has skyrocketed, leaving millions of young people drowning in student debt. The average student loan debt in the U.S. is over $38,375, and it takes years, sometimes decades, to pay off. Over 52% of college graduates end up working jobs that don't even require a degree. That's right, they're stuck in roles that don't utilize their education, all while paying off massive loans. So, if college isn't the golden ticket it used to be, what's the alternative? The good news is there are better and more affordable ways to build wealth, especially if you're young and willing to put in the work. Take my friend Alex, for example. He skipped college, learned digital marketing online, and within a few months, he was freelancing for businesses and earning $5,000 a month. No degree, no debt, just skills and hustle. In today's economy, it's not about the degree on your wall. It's about the skills in your toolbox. And the best part? You don't need to spend 4 years and $100,000 to learn those skills. The first thing I'd focus on is high-income skills. Skills that companies and individuals are willing to pay a premium for because they directly impact revenue and efficiency. Here are some of the most valuable skills you can learn right now. Sales. Whether it's tech sales, high-ticket sales, or digital sales, this is one of the fastest ways to earn a high income. Sales professionals can make 6 figures without a degree because businesses thrive on revenue, and strong salespeople drive that revenue. Digital marketing. Every company needs an online presence. Mastering areas like SEO, paid ads, email marketing, and content strategy allows you to work as a freelancer, start your own business, or land a high-paying job. Construction project management. This field combines leadership, organization, and problem solving. Overseeing projects, managing teams, and ensuring deadlines are met make you invaluable in the growing construction industry. IT support. Technology is the backbone of modern businesses. Companies need professionals who can troubleshoot technical issues, maintain systems, and ensure smooth operations, making IT support a solid and growing career path. The key is to pick one skill that interests you, commit to learning it, and start applying it as soon as possible. The sooner you take action, the faster you'll see results. Now, if you're wondering where to start learning these skills without spending thousands of dollars, let me introduce you to a company called Course Careers. Course Careers offers self-paced, affordable courses designed to help you break into high-paying jobs like tech sales, accounting, construction, and IT support. You don't need a college degree or any prior experience to get started. With Course Careers, you can go from zero to job ready in just a few weeks. They even offer a free introductory course so you can learn about which career is right for you before committing. I've left a link in the description below. Check it out and see if it's the right fit for you. Once you've picked your high-income skill, the next step is to start earning as soon as possible. Here's exactly what I'd do. 1. Learn the basics. Spend a month or two mastering the fundamentals of your chosen skill. Use free resources, online courses, or platforms like Course Careers to accelerate your learning. 2. Land an entry-level job. Many companies hire for roles that don't require a degree but value hands-on skills. Look for apprenticeships, internships, or entry-level positions where you can gain real-world experience. 3. Offer your services for free. If you're struggling to land a job right away, start by offering your services to friends, family, or small businesses for free. This will help you gain real-world experience and build a portfolio. 4th, start charging. Once you've gained some confidence and experience, start charging for your services. Even if it's just $40 or $50 per project, it's a start. The goal here is to get real-world feedback and improve quickly. The faster you start, the faster you'll grow. Once you've mastered your first high-income skill, don't stop there. The key to becoming indispensable in today's market is to stack your skills. For example, if you're in digital marketing, learn copywriting or graphic design. If you're in tech sales, add some basic data analysis or negotiation skills. The more skills you have, the more valuable you become. You'll be able to offer more services, charge higher rates, and stand out in a crowded market. Once you've started earning, keep building, learning, and scaling. Every small win will build momentum, and over time, that momentum will snowball into something incredible. It's not about luck or shortcuts. It's about learning the right skills, staying focused on your goals, and taking consistent action. And if you want to learn more about it, watch this video.